They were very curious about the people who lived upstairs. Scientists use genetic engineering to protect tomatoes against the effects of freezing.
The company plans to sponsor television programs as part of its marketing strategy.
The teaching of history should not be limited to dates and figures.
Economic recovery can't be sustained unless more jobs are created.
The signal will be converted into digital code by the computer.
The company didn't disclose how much it expects to gain from the deal.
He hoped they would not feel disappointed if they were not invited.
The trip promises to be a great mixture of the ancient and modern.
The object is to gather as great a diversity of genetic material as possible.
They had faced one difficulty after another with great determination. There are no restrictions on the amount of money you can withdraw. Marketing is applied to everything these days, and books are no exception.
He was suffering from exposure and shock, but his condition was said to be stable. You have to wait until the drugs have passed out of your system.
The report mentions that this company has overspent on marketing.
The price of oil should remain stable for the rest of the year.
The economy should be organized to serve the interests of all the people.
This could mean the closure of thousands of small businesses.
As the project progresses, a written document will become very useful.
The judge said the punishment would serve as a warning to others.
He left England with the intention of traveling in Africa. This is a new system for assessing personal tax bills. Readers have been invited to write in with their comments.
The forest has provided nesting places for a wide variety of birds. I wanted to work somewhere where I could serve the community.
When you have finished typing, remember to save your document.
People who live near airports tend to suffer from noise.
It's possible that in the course of time a cure for cancer will be found.
An important factor that separates ordinary photographs from good ones is the lighting.